Have you been contacted by the State Board of Equalization because they want to do a sales news tax audit? If they call you, don't delay in seeking out an experienced tax professional to assist. Sales and use tax audits and appeals can be complicated, but we can assist you with a pre-audit of your business records and set the parameters of the audit with the auditor, making sure it's conducted fairly and restricted to relevant items. Our audit methodology is as follows. We strive to formulate a game plan before the auditor calls. After all, we know the auditors have time constraints and appreciate our efforts in promoting a quick and easy audit. Prior to the audit, we'll strategize on a plan that includes identifying potential issues, researching the law, regulations, and annotations pertinent to your specific issues, identifying potential red flags and consider alternatives, and formulate workable responses to the auditor's proposed audit methods. We keep the golden rule in mind when dealing with the auditor. That is, we treat the auditor the same way we want to be treated. Accordingly, we're respectful, prepared, and understand that they're real people and not our adversary. We control the audit from the outset. We will act as the audit coordinator and require the auditor to give all information and document requests to us. If desired, we'll provide the auditor with adequate workspace away from your employees. We answer the auditor's questions with exactly what is requested, no more and no less, delivering only verified facts so as not to invite suspicion. We provide the auditor with full and complete explanations to questioned items, thereby keeping those items off the auditor's worksheet. We know how important it is to timely request a credit for any errors made when the original quarterly sales news tax returns were filed. We exhaust all administrative remedies timely. After all, your appeal depends on it. We will ensure that we timely respond to all notices and document requests from taxing authorities, and we'll meet with the auditors and their supervisors whenever necessary or advantageous. After the audit, we'll request a complete set of the audit work papers. If you disagree with any item, we'll file an appeal with the BOE by filing a petition for redetermination within 30 days of the date on the notice of determination. In that petition, we'll request an appeals conference with the appeals unit and a formal hearing before the 5-member Board of Equalization. If we do not prevail, we'll discuss your option of filing an appeal with the Superior Court in a county that has an office of the Attorney General. Finally, we strategize throughout the proceedings as to whether to make a settlement offer or an offer in compromise to the board. This will not impact your petition, except to hold it in abeyance for approximately 9 months while the BOE considers accepting the offer. If rejected, your appeal remains fully intact. I sat on the 5-member full Board of Equalization as the Deputy State Controller of Taxation for 3 years. My experience is unique amongst tax professionals, as I've seen firsthand from both sides of the dais as how the BOE handles sales tax appeals, and income tax appeals for that matter. In addition, my staff includes a former BOE sales and use tax auditor who has successfully handled countless audits. Our combined experience has proven to be invaluable to our clients. Call us so that we can assist you. The initial consultation is free.